How to split screen in Windows 11. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And also make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have tutorials for many apps and we have sorted playlists for many apps also. So let's get started right away in today's tutorial. So in order to create a split screen in Windows 11, the process is very simple. You can just simply drag the windows that you want to split, one to the extreme left or one of them to the extreme right, and the other, it's gonna be appearing for you here. You gotta choose it. Now it's on the left, or you can go to Windows plus tab. When this appears for you, you gotta right click or click with multiple fingers on the touchpad like this and open the menu and choose to snap left or snap right. Let's snap this right and choose the other to be on the left. And that's it. You can also do this with 4 windows if you need. Let's drag this to the quarter like this, and if you want to add another something in this quarter, it's gonna be added very easily. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.